SabhiPadhoPadhao.com will connect with you. Okay, and they will let you know.
Okay.
And once we know how to go about it, like how many classes do you need in a week? Like you need Monday
So
to
mostly according to you, what is suitable? Like for 5 days in a week for English,
yeah, 5 days in a week is good enough, ma'am.
good enough, na? And
Yes.
duration will be an hour.
An hour duration, yes, because she's small now. For her,
It's
1 hour
small.
is good enough to sit, right? Yeah. I
So it
help her in
will be
writing the stories also. Like I give her a topic page,
yes,
like
yes,
help in
yes.
that. So I'll do
Like
that.
you can make her read stories. I mean, you must be knowing how to deal with a
Yes,
child.
no worries, because
You
I've
know,
been
60.
with these children, so that is not a problem. The only thing
So they,
she will be able to sit for 1 hour. Will she be able to?
yeah, yeah, she will. She's an obedient child. Don't worry.
Girls are usually obedient
Hopefully,
programs.
or otherwise the kids are moody sometimes.
Yeah.
I'll be there with her. So
Yeah.
I hope there will be no issue.
If I correctly pronouncing her name is Kiana.
Tiana, Tiana,
Tiana.
Tiana.
So
Okay.
Tiana, we are friends now.
Yes.
You know how to do this.
Yes. Do a
Do
thumbs up.
do it. Yes. Then
Camera here.
yes, and the shake hand.
High five.
All right,
High
and
five.
high five. Good enough. Your mom gives you high five daily in school. Does she do that?
Yes.
All right. Fine, ma'am. So I think SabhiPadhoPadhao.com will connect with you, and just let me know when do you want to start this, right?
Okay.
And we
So
can
I will contact you directly, ma'am, or the
just
site
connect with
will.
them. Just connect with them, right? And they
Huh?
will let you know how to connect with it. So we can start. Today is 18th. We can start by Monday. Will that work
Okay.
for you?
That's fine, ma'am.
That's
Okay.
fine.
No
But
issue in that.
just that for me, it's a closing of my school, so just little
No
late.
issue, ma'am. No issue. Not at all.
What
No
time
issue.
are you looking at, ma'am? What time?
Ma'am, that we will mutually decide, I guess, maybe.
All right, no worries. Maybe 5 to 6 or 4 to 5, whatever. 5 to 6, I
Would be
think
fine.
would be fine.
Okay, ma'am. I'll let you know. She has her sports class also. So I'll
Just
see what time it is suitable. Online, so ma'am, I think online we can connect up to 7
in the evening.
in the evening, ma'am.
I don't have a problem, but what happens when child comes after sports and all? They're a little tired. So I
Hmm.
just want her
True.
in the class. She should be energetic and with open eyes and open ears.
Correct.
So that she's learned what we're putting
Correct.
about. She should be able to take that
I
best.
would tell, I would like to add you one thing only, ma'am. If we continue, she is a happy-go-lucky child, like so she likes if the environment is friendly.
All
She
right.
will study. She should enjoy her studying way,
Yeah.
Then she will study.
I'm also a happy go learn teacher. Don't worry.
Okay.
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 That's not an issue.
Nice meeting you.
Same here, ma'am. Same here.
So, ma'am, we will be looking for her basic English skill development. Okay.
No worries.
Overall skill is English development. Okay.
Overall English developer, even if you need help in maths also and all, I just
Uh-huh.
have to
Okay.
teach maths. So that is not a
Okay.
all right.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you. Nice talking to you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.